This video introduces functions of the FAA installed in the Renesas RL78 G24 microcontroller. We will explain functions of the FAA and benefits of using the FAA. The FAA is an abbreviation for the Flexible Application Accelerator. The FAA is a 32-bit high-speed core processor capable of executing operations in a single cycle. The FAA is a coprocessor independent of the CPU, and operates in parallel with the CPU. Additionally, the FAA can directly access certain peripheral functions. By delegating arithmetic operations and peripheral control to the FAA, the CPU load can be reduced. Moreover, when executing solely on the CPU, there is a need for task switching, such as interrupts between processes, which requires additional time. However, by partitioning tasks between the CPU and the FAA, such switching times are eliminated. Ultimately, by assigning additional tasks to the CPU with reduced load, it is possible to enhance the overall functionality of the application. In specific operations such as arithmetic, the FAA processes faster than the CPU. Using the AES library as an example, let's compare speeds. Encryption and decryption tasks are, on average, approximately 1.9 times faster, when handled by the FAA compared to the CPU. In addition, combining the CPU with the FAA to perform parallel processing enhances the overall system performance compared to processing solely on the CPU. Using the motor control library as an example, let's compare speeds and CPU occupancy. In vector motor control, by handling carrier interrupts with FAA, processing time can be reduced and CPU occupancy decreased. The RL78 G24 can achieve parallel processing of both CPU and FAA on its own, thereby contributing to cost reduction for our customers' products. Next, we will introduce one application example of the RL78 G24. In the compressor control of the air conditioner outdoor unit, the FAA performs sensorless FOC calculations, allowing the CPU to focus on tasks other than motor control, such as PFC control and processing tasks in the upper-level system. As a result, improvements in control performance, enhanced computational resolution with the FAA's 32-bit arithmetic, and cost reduction through system and control integration on a single chip can be achieved. In this way, by delegating complex arithmetic operations and peripheral control to the FAA, it's possible to reduce CPU load, enable parallel processing with the CPU, and expect improved processing speed. Furthermore, using pre-existing FAA libraries can reduce development and evaluation workload. We provide FAA libraries for various applications such as encryption, power management, lighting, and motors. These FAA libraries can be incorporated into programs using the Smart Configurator. For details about the FAA, please refer to the RL78 G24 User's Manual, Hardware. For details about FAA operations, please refer to the application note RL78 G24 Flexible Application Accelerator, Tool Guide. Please refer to the Renesas website for more details.